Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and talk about two databases that are great for browsing. I'm going down the database list and I'm going to choose Opposing Viewpoints. It's this one here in purple. It's put out by Gale, and Gale has two databases that I really like, Science in Context and Opposing Viewpoints. Let's start with the Opposing Viewpoints one. The password is Roosevelt0403, and Gale has two of these that we've bought. I'm going to show you the Opposing Viewpoints one first. And one of the first things you want to do is make yourself an account. All you have to do is sync it with your Google. Just press there and it will ask, allow and everything, and you get in with your Google account. Don't do the classroom one, just do this one here, the G. The way it's organized is around different topics. So you can see here they have, 8 different topic areas, and then inside each of these there's a huge list of different topics. So I'm going to open the Society and Culture one just as an example. And here are all the different topics just in that one area. Goes on and on and on. So depending on what you might be interested in, you choose one. I'll go here to the Iraq War, for example. No matter what topic you choose, it's going to open up the same way with a context article at the beginning. So when you go view more, it's going to open up to another pretty long article that you can just have a quick scan through, see the headings, and get a sense of the overall background information about that topic. The other thing that they do is they give you viewpoint articles. So these are the ones that are going to be giving you the pro and the con side of an issue. You can see here there's 195 of these viewpoints articles for the Iraq War. I can see from the title the different bias of the authors. But there are 195 of these here. That's way too many. So I'm always going to be looking for this gray search box here that says Search Within Results. And I'm going to put here, I'll put chemical. See what I get if I'm interested in chemical warfare, for example. So I go from 195 down to 40. I can probably deal with 40. I might narrow it a little bit more. Maybe, let's leave it like that. Let's put veterans. Let's see what we get there. Veterans. Okay, now I'm down to 5. Once I have a number that's good, I can go ahead and start looking at the articles. I'm always going to scroll through just to get a sense of how long it is, get a sense of some of the headings that are here. And then if I decide that it's good, I can start doing some deeper reading. Opposing Viewpoints will let you listen to every article that you open, and you can change.
Not enough is being done for veterans with Gulf War illness.
You can change the speed. So like that was fast. I can make it, I think the medium is probably the best. You can pause it along the way, so listen to a little bit and then pause. Let's see.
Not enough is being done for veterans with Gulf War illness.
Okay, maybe I'm going to think, really? What is not being done or whatever? Okay, so you can pause it along the way to make sure that you're able to capture your own thinking. If I really get into this, I can do some highlighting and note-taking right here in the document. I probably will want to save it. I can email it to myself. I can get the citation. All those kinds of things that good databases will give you. If I'm done with this, maybe I can go back to my results here under the View All results. I can go back further to my topic. And the other thing I like about Opposing Viewpoints is it tells you the different kinds of resources for your topic that they have. So I really like these, the magazines, the audio, news, and then the high-level stuff is here in academic journals. So let's just take a quick look here. Under news, we've got 15,000. This is, New York Times, CNN, good stuff. Notice it has an orange square here. That means it's going to be the middle level reading. Not middle school, but like high school level, I would say. If we go back and look at the academic journals, here, 400 articles in academic, we're going to get a red triangle. This is where you get into the harder reading and where you probably will want to use that listening feature because this is higher level into university vocabulary. All right, let's just make sure that I've told you everything that I need to tell you. Remember, the key thing here is browsing around, and once you get to the topic and the kind of resource you want, go into that limit within results, search within results to cut it down. Okay? Always you're looking along the side here, so these are ways that you can filter. If you need primary sources, they're going to give you 3 right here. Okay, the actual radio address, for example. So I really, really like this one. As I said, it's great for browsing around. I can search directly as well, but if I'm at the beginning of a project, I'll often go here to get an idea of what my focus might be for my paper. Anything I save will go, if you open this up, it will say folder down here. Anything you save will be going into that folder. This is the Opposing Viewpoints one. The science one works exactly the same. The only difference is it's all these super cool science topics like chemistry. So you open the nervous system, and there's your background article. Here's your different types of sources. The audio is great. The audio is usually going to be podcasts and radio shows. So those are always really interesting, I think. And make sure that you do your sign in with Google so that you can get all those resources that you saved another time. Browse the topics to see everything they have. There's just a whole lot here. Really great if you're poking around trying to figure out what your focus for a project maybe should be. All right, so that's Opposing Viewpoints and Science in Context. Those are both by Gale. Those are both on the library website. Right here, the purple and the green buttons on the library Find Information page. Thanks a bunch.